Welcome to LaTricia Creates. I am LaTricia. In today's video, we're going to create some freestanding lace hair bows using our embroidery machine. Let's take a look at the materials for this project. For this project, I'm going to use my single needle flatbed embroidery machine along with my 5x7 hoop. I have some water soluble stabilizer. I like to use the fibrous kind. It's also known as vilene. I have some T-head pins, thread with matching bobbin. It's always a good idea to have a matching bobbin when you're doing freestanding lace because you are going to see the back. I have a pair of scissors, some water, some paper towels, and these alligator clips for my bows. The last thing we need is a design. You ready? Let's make it. The first thing I want to do is hoop my stabilizer. I've already loosened my hoop. I'm going to take the top piece out, put the stabilizer in, put it back in. I like to push mine out just a little beyond the back. Make sure it's nice and taut. Tighten down the screw. It's still a little loose. That's pretty good. Now I'll add my T-head pins. I just like to use these for stability. It keeps the stabilizer from slipping down. I already have my design loaded onto my embroidery machine. I'll be sure to leave a link in the description below. Now let's head to the embroidery machine to get started with our stitching. I have my design uploaded. As you can see, it's two colors, which is the reason I got these two colors. I'm going to see how they look together. Now I'm going to thread the machine. I'm going to make the inside the light pink and the outside the darker pink. Now I'm going to load the hoop. The first part is done. Now I'm ready to change my thread. I also need to change my bobbin, so I'm going to need to take this hoop out. It's all done. It is so cute. Oh my goodness. Let's take it off here and head back to the cutting table. This is going to be so cute. Now I'm going to unhoop it. Trim away some of this stabilizer. Now I'm going to put it in the water. No, before I put it in the water, I'm going to trim some of these stitches. Make sure when you trim that you do not cut the knot. Now I'm going to put it in the water, let it dissolve. And you can leave some on there however you like it. You can let it all come off or leave some on there. And that's good enough for me. I'm going to let this dry completely, then I'll come back to assemble the bow. All the parts of the bow are dry. Now I'm ready to assemble it. I have my glue gun here. I don't think the glue gun is the best way to do this, but that's how I'm going to do it today. I'm going to take this bow, fold it in half, and I'm going to glue this to the center. I'm going to try not to put too much glue because the glue is going to seep through the lace. I'm going to do the same thing with this piece. Now I'm going to take this smaller piece and put it on top of this one because this is the bottom. Next, I'm going to glue the alligator clip onto the back of the bottom one. The last thing I'm going to do is wrap this back piece on here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up the alligator clip. I'm going to wrap it around the front. Then I'm going to wrap it as far around the back as I can get it. And I'm going to glue it down. Actually, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to flip it over. I'm going to put the back piece in like that first. I'm going to glue this down inside of the alligator clip. Now I'm going to wrap this and bring it back around. Open the alligator clip again, but I'm going to add a little glue onto here. Open the alligator clip again. Stick that in through there. Seal that down like that. This is so cute. Now I'm going to fluff it up some. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. This came out so cute. Although I used the hot glue, I think it would be better to use some thread to stitch it up. And one other thing that I would do differently is I would add some ribbon to the alligator clip to make it be able to hold better onto the lacy portion. But I love it just like this. It's so cute. I hope you are able to make some as well. And I hope you got something out of this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, keep creating.